Hi guys, let's try to write our first Python program. So I have used Visual Studio Code in order to write my first program in Python. So the thing what we'll do is we'll try to add two numbers using Python, and at the same time let us try to understand what are the concepts which are involved in that. I mean, what are the data types and what is the input statement, what is the output statement and all. So firstly, what I'll do is under the Python folder, I'll try to create a file. So I have just given add two numbers.py. So this is the file name which I have created, and our objective is very simple: adding two numbers using Python. Okay, so firstly, let us take first number and let us call it as A. So the output statement which we normally use is print. Enter the first number, right? So what I'll do is I will take A, and that is where I am going to store my first number. Next, I'll take second number, enter the second number. So what I'll do is I'll try to take the second number and into B variable. Okay, now it is simple. So if you want to add two numbers, what you will do is C equal to A plus B, then you have typically added A and B, and you have stored that particular value in C. Now in order to print the value of C, what we'll do is we'll use the output statement, which is typically print the sum of two numbers is C. Okay, so it's quite simple. So I have stored this under C. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this particular program and see what would be the output. So obviously I'm going to get a little strange output. Let us try to watch it. So I've saved it using Ctrl+S button, and Python add two numbers.py. This is what I need to give under this prompt where I have stored the Python file. So now let us see, it is in OneDrive, so it is taking a bit of time. So I have given my first number as 12 and second number as 34. So obviously what I expect, if I add 12 plus 34, so the output which I'm typically expecting is like 46. So but I've got 1 2 3 4 as my output, just because it is appending. So 34 is being appended to 12. That is the reason why I have got it. So it is taking this particular thing as string and it is appending it. So in order to do that, we need to do a small change here, which is called as typecasting. Right now it is taking string. So in order to make sure that A has integers and B also has integers, what we have to do is we have to do a typecasting, right? So now let me run the program again and see what would be the output. So I'll give typically same numbers. 12 is my first number and 34 would be second number, and I have got the required output. Okay, so in this way we can add two numbers using Python. So now what we'll do is let us try to understand certain concepts here. So hash is basically used. So hash is basically used for commenting, and another thing is what we have learned, print is basically used as an output statement or in order to print something, and input is basically used as input statement, right? And another thing is we have also learned about type casting, right? So how to typically convert a string into integer, right? String to integer. So this is what we have learned here with the help of this particular program. Hope this helps. Thank you.